everybody, I've just popped on very quickly to share something with you, and what I want to share is this arrived through the week. Actually, I've been waiting for the opportunity to get on to do a video about it, and you'll see instantly what it is. Get it the right way up. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous little book. And it's my swap book with Sammy. Mine was a little golden book, and most people, in fairness, did little golden books, but this one isn't. It's Izzy the Ice Cream Fairy, and it's a really lovely squidgy cover. It's gorgeous, and look at the spine, look at all those buttons that she's put in. It's really, really lovely, and this is linen underneath the buttons, and it's printed. She's printed on it, I think, butterflies, etc. And it came with lots of lovely goodies. Thank you so much, Sammy. I appreciate those very much. But let's have a look at the actual book itself. So there's the cover, and you can see down the side here these really joyful little mini pom-poms. I do love mini pom-poms, actually. They just make me feel happy. And inside, look how nicely bound it is. It's beautiful. The pom-poms actually in the ice cream. And there we go. Excuse me. Now, oh, Mr. F's left his pop here. All of the pages, the tea-dyed pages or coffee stained, I'm not sure, that she's put in, she's stenciled on. I really love that she's taken the time to do that. Just adds such a lot to it, and some bling up there, really sparkling away. And a little cake there. And here's the tummy tuck, but she's got a different take on it. She's got 2 strips down there and some acetate behind, and that is an excellent idea, and one that I can't help feeling I'm going to be nicking. And 2 nice journaling cards in there, and they're also stenciled on the back. Really attention to detail here. It's lovely. Sorry, I've got a tickly throat today. And look at this corner pocket with glittery card, and it's a sort of ombre type effect with lovely journaling cards in it, all stenciled on. I mean, it's lovely. Look at this lovely mushroom one. Sewn around. It's just got everything, this book. It's really, really lovely. And this is a paper clip that she's altered, decorated up, and it's got this envelope that folds out, and inside there is a little journal. Look, a little notebook. It's really, really lovely. Lots of different sorts of paper in there, and she's tied it with this pink glittery yarn, thread, whatever. It's lovely. I love it. So that just pops back into there. Side pockets here, all sewn around. Journaling cards in there, really, really nice, all stenciled, and that's stenciled. Such detail. It's really, really lovely. And that just pops on the top there just to keep that envelope in order. How does it go? Yeah, like that, I think. No, maybe like that. That's it. Making a mountain out of a molehill there. Another book page, and this page here with a little chocolate cake on, winking at me. Yes, I would eat you if you were real. And some stencils. This is one of the centre spreads. It's the one we did that showed you how to do. Makes a really good centre spread, actually, and she's made a good job of it. She's put bling down here. Lovely. And a tag with that same really sparkly pink stenciled on the back. It's really lovely. They pop in there, and these pop in this side. Journaling card, another journaling card, all stenciled beautifully. And these two, all things are possible, and gratitude is the best attitude. Who could argue with that? Let's put them there, you can see them. And she's bound a book in, I think it's embroidery floss, and looks like she's used all 6 threads. Very, very nicely bound. 3 hole pamphlet stitch there. This pocket is all sewn around, and in this side we've got a journaling card. Look at the stenciling on the background, I hope you can pick that up. A nice lace down there, another journaling card there in this side, and there is a blessing in the storm. Stenciled, lovely journaling spot there. Book page, ice cream cones, because bearing in mind this is Izzy the ice cream fairy, so that's wonderful that she's managed to get that. And here on the ends of her thread that she's sewn with, she's tied a little button on, and I really like that. I think that's such a nice thing to do. And here on the other next page, little flower button, it's really nice. And look, we've got more of that really glittery paper. Lovely ice cream cone. Of course, you can see the button that I was telling you about. Book page, and then this with fairies sitting in a garden. That is a lovely image. Really nice. And on the back of that, we've got this bling here. It's very shiny. And a little pocket tuck spot here. In the back of the tuck spot, the paper is stenciled, a journaling card and a tag, all ice cream related. And then in the pocket itself, there is always something to be thankful for. A book page, and that's the end of that signature. So we're starting the new signature now, and it's ever so tidy. This is really good work. No, tell a lie, that's the end of that signature. And you can see that she's had to shorten her pages because they creep too much otherwise. She made a really nice job of that, I can tell you. And inside the spine we've got this lovely paper. It's a good job. Book page, another one of these fairy pages. She's going to a magical castle. She's probably made of ice cream. Or is that just me? All sewn around. And a button on the end of the threads. That's a lovely idea, that. I really like it. Then a full page pocket along the bottom, and it's stuffed full. That's just so sweet. And 2 of these. One's plain journaling, one's got lines on, and a little tag that's ice cream. So that stuffs that pocket absolutely full. Really does. And a butterfly in the corner that's got a bit of glitz on it. And this time with her sewing threads, she's brought them through to one side and tied a little bow in it. Honestly, it's those details that set it apart. It's wonderful. A book page, a journaling page with another little cake on it, and another altered paper clip. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? It's really, really nice. And that holds on this flip out, which has got goodies in it. A little journaling card. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. That is good advice. And they pop back into the envelope there. That folds over, and the altered paper clip just keeps it in place. I really love that altered paper clip. Book page, and another one of our magical fairy queens with a butterfly at the top. Got a bit of journaling down there as well, actually. And here's another one of those journaling places with the ice cream cones. It's so appropriate for this book, it really is. And we've got another button tied onto the threads here. It's a lovely touch, that is, a really lovely touch. Book page, and then here we've got, actually I've got that paper pad as well, Enchanted Forest I think it's called. A sewn round corner tuck spot, stenciled journaling, some more journaling cards, and a tag. Lovely. And down there we've got sequins. Really nice. And on the back, oh, I love these long thin tags. They're lovely, aren't they? and she's done faux stitching around the outside and on that side too. It's lovely. I love that. And she's put this little corner tuck spot pocket on there and a big pocket across here. And this is the centre spread, because there's the threads that she's used to bind it. So in the big pocket we've got a jolly happy sun and an ice cream and donut tag. Fabulous. And faux stitching on the back. It's just real attention to detail here. And this lovely long thin one goes in that side there, and I really like that. Oh, we've got another one at the other side, and a cake here. And that lovely glittery paper that changes shade. It's beautiful. And some journaling cards in there. Look at that. And this lovely paper around at the bottom. I like it a lot. So they pop down into there, and the long one fits in that side down there. And then on the, a nice lolly this time, and some bling stenciled book page. This is well, it's almost like half a sort of envelope. It's a pocket that goes that way and a pocket that goes that way, so they intersect, and it's all sewn around, and it's got a lovely journaling card in it. Plus the fact you could journal on that if you wanted to. But there is quite a lot of journaling space in here, and they've got nice lolly and more journaling space, book page, and some more journaling space, which is great. It is, after all, a journal. It's more of that paper pad. It's all sewn around. Beautiful glittery flower there. I think I might be missing some of these buttons at the top, actually. This one here, this page here, and the next page, the threads are joined together and sewn onto a really pretty little pink button. Really nice. I like that idea a lot. Book page, ice lolly, sewn, it's really nice. Those are the threads that join that button, and here she's just knotted her threads off. And this has got a little thumb hole, and it's got 2 journaling cards in it. Very, very nice. Pop those back in there. So she's sewn two pages together to give us that. And then on the back, it's done around with lace, some really lovely glitzy paper, these 2 little sayings. You're stronger than you know. Accept what is, let go of what was, and have faith in what will be. And then 2 big journaling cards at the back. Really useful. And then the fairy on the back page. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And more of that lovely mini pom-pom. So there we have it. That's Sammy's book. I'm delighted to have it. It will be, well, it is now, but it really will be one of my treasured possessions, that someone's taken the time to do all that work. You know, I do know how much work there is in here, and there's loads, and I'm very, very appreciative of it. Thank you so very, very much. So if any of the rest of you want to do a little video on your swap, it would be great to see what you've got. I hope Sammy likes mine as much as I like hers. I don't think so, but hers is more child friendly, and it's just lovely. I love it. So thank you, Sammy. Thank you for everyone who's taken part in the swap. It's really interesting to see what's going on. Thank you. Bye.